Cryptocurrencies in healthcare, innovative solutions to improve healthcare. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are introducing groundbreaking solutions to address several challenges in the healthcare sector. Their applications enhance data security, streamline administrative processes, and improve patient care. Key innovations. 1. Secure patient data management. Blockchain provides a secure and immutable ledger for storing patient records. This ensures that medical data is protected against tampering and unauthorized access. Patients can control their own health data, granting access to healthcare providers as needed while maintaining privacy and security. 2. Improved data interoperability. Blockchain can facilitate the seamless sharing of medical data across different healthcare systems. Standardized, decentralized records allow for better coordination of care, reducing redundancies and improving the accuracy of diagnoses and treatments. 3. Efficient supply chain management. Blockchain enhances transparency and traceability in the pharmaceutical supply chain. It helps prevent counterfeit drugs by providing a clear, verifiable history of each drug's journey from manufacturer to patient, ensuring the authenticity and safety of medications.